quedado todo. Una casita pa' vivir todos los días encima de ti. No puedo disimular, no lo puedo esconder.
Okay. So you might be thinking, why did it take you so long to find a single lighting? That's because that lighting is not single, my friend. It's multiple. RGBWW. Because I was like, you know, we were just thinking and we were like, let's not go with the norm. Let's not do what everyone out there is doing, because every cafe, every restaurant, all the places look like the same these days. And we were like, why not go with multiple lighting so that in a single day we can have 3 different lighting for 3 different moods, and especially in the nights where everyone's stressed out after work. Let's just keep red lighting for the red theme where your stress levels are gone, and it's just so soothing. And that actually works really well for me and my friends. We tried it and we thought we'll do that here, and you can come and give it a try. It's so good. And finally, because we found this lighting, I am really happy about that. Also, so much has been happening. I've not been able to film because everything is messy, and me and my team, we are all scattered in different places. So I was like experimenting with a lot of food in the past few days. We've tried like so many recipes, and I could not film all of it. And also, the footage I filmed unfortunately has no audio. There are so many clips where I'm talking in different places and it has no audio, and I'm like, what the hell, bro? Because obviously it's happening in different time periods in a single day. So the mic is frequently being disconnected and it's off, because DJI has this feature which is very good, but it's just not good for me at this point of time, because it's like scattered all over the place. That's what's happening. I'm just really glad. I'm really glad that we are going above and beyond to create this space for us, like to build this community. This is more than a business. This is definitely, you know, not a business where you're just trying to bring customers in and make some money. It's not like that. It's more like a community. It's a place. It's a safe space where we can all connect with each other. Okay, yeah, I forgot to tell you guys this exact thing, that you know, there are a lot of people out there who are trying to build their body, who are trying to be a better person, and there's no community space where people, like-minded people, can connect with each other. Everyone who's trying to be better, you know, a place where you can actually meet friends just like you and have this community. That's exactly our target. At Protein Synthesis, we are trying to build a safe space for everyone to connect with each other, especially athletes, especially people who are trying to, you know, build their body, their mind, and have a better gut, because gut health is directly related to your brain. Like, the better your gut health, the more your brain will function. And anyone out there who's trying to go to gym, anyone out there who's trying to get into sports, this place is for you. It doesn't matter, because age is just a number. So age doesn't matter here. What matters is your willpower and your willingness to do it. Like, you can be 6 years or 60 years, you can still work hard and work on your body, work on your mind, and, you know, come to this space to meet like-minded people. Exactly as you see in animes. You see animes having communities where people meet each other, and One Piece having, you know, such badass crewmates and crews. I was like, why not create a space where anyone can feel comfortable? People who watch anime, people who do gym, people who are into sports, and all while eating healthy food. We are always like, if I go out, what do? You go for a run. After that, like, if you have to relax, where do I go? Well, you come to Protein Synthesis. Here you can come, you can relax, you can eat food, you can have beautiful conversations, you can help each other grow, and you can, you know, you can just not do anything, sit and meditate. You can do all of this with your friends, with your family, anyone really, but everyone needs to work hard. Like, if everyone in your family is trying to be a better person, this is for you. But I'll tell you something, this is definitely not for everyone out there who's trying to eat junk food, who's trying to cheat with their meals a lot, and who's trying to just, you know, make a crib about life and make other persons feel miserable and make themselves feel miserable. This is not a place for such people. And I was like, this can be such a wow, I love bikes. So this is such a beautiful space where if anime watchers come, you can meet me, we can all have anime conversations. Like the one time I went to Comic Con, it was so beautiful meeting a lot of a lot of other people who love anime just as much as me or even more than me, and having beautiful conversations, and just know, like, the fact that they know anime and they know the characters that I'm talking about, that I can have such a free conversation where if I randomly walk into my friends group, I cannot have those conversations because they don't watch anime, they don't know the characters. But here I can talk to them, I can relate with them. That's exactly, I love that experience so much, and that's exactly what we want to create here. This is for everyone out there. And obviously, if you are watching anime and if you're an anime watcher, you have special privileges because I love anime too. And you'll get to have anime conversations with me, I'll get to have anime conversations with you. We'll just sit and chill like crazy. I would love that. Yeah, I wanted to tell that to you guys. If you know me, you know that I have an anime account, Vandana X Zoro, and that's where I completely, immerse into the world of anime and take you into the world of anime. And I was like, why not build a community for anime watchers as well? But instead of building a single community, because it goes hand in hand, everyone who watch anime will go to gym, everyone who go to gym can watch anime, because it's like they're like parallel universes. Anime and gym go hand in hand. Anyone who watches anime will want to work on their body, and vice versa. It's like if you go to gym and if you work on your body, if you're already doing that, you can always give anime a try. And this is definitely not about anime, but I was like, why not add this segment in? And anyone who's watching anime out there, you don't have to feel left out, you don't have to feel alone. You can definitely come to this safe space and feel at home. That's exactly what I wanted to tell you guys. And I feel good about that. At the same time, I feel really, really bad and pissed off because in the past 14 days, today is day 14. Yeah, it is day 14. In the past 14 days, so many things have been going wrong. Like, we had a schedule planned, like we have to execute and get all of this work done within 10 days, and we have to, open on the 11th day, but it hasn't been going that way. Especially when a lot of works are outsourced, when it is not relied on, when the work is not on you, where you cannot do that work and you have to wait for other people to come and do it for you. That's when you realize how helpless you are, because it's not like you're getting the work done for free. I'll tell you the instances. So when we spoke to the electrician, he was like, okay, I'll come and do the work and everything. And then when we gave him calls, when we were calling him to come and do it, he told that he's gonna come today, and then he did not show up. And he said he's gonna come tomorrow, and he did not show up. And then he came like 2 days later, and then he came and he did all the work. And we went and we bought all this stuff. All you had to do was come and connect and just put the plug boards in place and do all the wires, like set up all the wires. That's it. So you've got one job to do and you don't want to do it. That's one thing. And the other is, we asked the painter to, paint this exact red. But first, like, he painted some other shade of red, and we were like, in the beginning he painted some other shade of red, and we were like, oh my god, this is not the shade we showed you. And we clearly told him, we told him the color code, we told him everything. It's in the painter's case, we were like, he's very experienced, we don't have to go along with him to get the paint. But then he did not do it the way we wanted him to, so we had to again go get the paint ourselves and get this red painted, because this is the vision that we had, and that did not go as planned. And today, since I woke up, it's been one bad experience after another. Since morning, we've been roaming outside to find the lighting, like I told you guys, and we went to multiple electric shops, and then we went to this specific shop, and there was this shop owner. We went to him last week, we took the quote, and we were like, we need some time to think about it. And today we went back to him and we were like, we have more requirement, so let's extend the quote and let's see how if we can work our way through that. And then he goes, he's giving us a higher quote. He's like, no, it was last week and the prices have raised. The prices have suddenly spiked super high in this 1 week. So I'm gonna actually quote you much more. And we were like, how we are here to negotiate, and we are taking a much larger amount than before. And that he was like, no, actually I don't really think it'll make the cut, and I don't really like you guys, whatever. He was like, we were going back and forth, and वो जो भी बंदा था ना, उसको ऐसा था कि मेरा ईगो ब्रूज हो गया, लास्ट वीक जब तुम आए थे तभी लेना था, अभी तो मुझे नहीं देनी, मुझे करनी ही नहीं है, मैं तो एक भी रुपये कम नहीं करूँगा, और मैं ज़्यादा कोड लगा दिया, लास्ट टाइम के प्राइजेस से डिफरेंट प्राइसिंग लगा दिया, लेना है तो लो, नहीं तो जाओ, तुम्हारी मर्जी। एंड आई एम लाइक, ऐसा कैसे होता है यार, दिस इज़ नॉट द वे इट वर्क्स, एंड स्पेशली व्हेन यू ब्रिंग पर्सनल फीलिंग्स इनटू बिजनेस, आई एम सो पिस्ड ऑफ, बिकॉज पर्सनल फीलिंग्स तुम्हारे ईगो ब्रूज हो गया, ये क्या चीज़ है, you just have to sell, I'm a customer and you're getting good business from me in such a bulk quantity, देना है तो दो, एंड उसके बाद मूड खराब हो गया, एंड देन but at least in all of this, the plumber guy was good, he did the work, he left. Now that's how you're supposed to be. अगर तुम्हारा काम है, आओ काम करके चले जाओ. And then there's this signage guy, उसको हम last week almost 5 days हो गया है, उसको पैसे दिए, we paid the advance everything that he wanted, because he was like advance pay करेंगे तो we'll do your work on priority, and we paid double the amount, because obviously we are like, we need to get this work done as soon as possible, and just because of the urgency we paid him twice as much. And अभी उसको आज सुबह से हम लोग कॉल कर रहे हैं, and he's like, हाँ आप ही के काम पे है, आप ही के काम पे है, and he's not even coming. I don't even think he did at least like 0.% of the work. मतलब क्या होता है इंडिया में, क्या होता है मुझे नहीं पता है, बिकॉज आई सी अ लॉट ऑफ अब्रॉड क्रिएटर्स वेर दे आर गेटिंग द वर्क डन विद लाइक माइंडेड पीपल, वेर दे गो, वेर दे कोलैबोरेट विद द अदर पर्सन, एंड दे आर बोथ सो पैशनेट अबाउट द वर्क, एंड दे आर डूइंग टुगेदर, एंड दे आर क्रिएटिंग वीडियोज टुगेदर. एंड इधर मुझे तो जाके मैं पैसे दूँ, ज़्यादा पैसे दूँ, फिर भी फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है, बस वो लोग को काम ही नहीं करना है. हाँ हम तो सेठ हैं, हम बैठे लाइक यू जस्ट गिव योर मनी एंड विल नॉट डू एनीथिंग एंड सेंड you home and will make you wait for ages and ages. That's exactly what's going on, and I've been so pissed off in the past few days, because this is happening every single day. These were just a few instances. They are happening for every single work, for every little work. And see, I don't want to crib. I hate cribbing about things, but the only reason I'm telling you guys all this is because I want to share my journey with you, and this is part of the process, this is part of the journey, and this is something that you need to know, that things will not go as planned, and when you are outsourcing things, people are not going to work according to you, even though you give money. It's not like you're getting it done for free. It's not like we are bargaining or we are saying this कि bargain तो कर रहे हैं, obviously we'll ask once or twice, but उसके बाद ठीक है भैया जो भी है जल्दी कर दो, हम पैसे देंगे. This is how it goes, but they're not willing to do it. That was one breathless conversation. I will say now I feel much better now that I shared everything with you guys, and by the time you're watching this, you know that we have gotten through this shit and we won, bro. We did it. Despite of everything that's happened, we did it. And yeah, I think that's about it. That's about everything I wanted to share with you guys. Let's go make some coffee. Today, right now I'm thinking of making cranberry cold brew, and we are thinking of naming it Cranfee. Isn't it so cool, Cranfee? Oh my god, I just love cold brew so much. Caffeine is much needed with all the stress and headache. Cranfee. Let's go make Cranfee and drink Cranfee in my coffee mates. I was gonna say let's go make Cranfee and drink Cranfee in my coffee. I was gonna say that, but then I was like, what's my coffee? It doesn't really make sense. But oh my god, what happened just now? I'll tell you what happened just now. So we went over there, like we went near the ice cube maker machine, and we were taking a video, and we took a very beautiful video. It turns out it has no audio. And this is not happening for the first time. There's some curse with the ice cube machine. I mean, not curse with the ice cube machine, but there's some curse with the video, because we shot the same video for 3 times already, and the 3 videos are having 0 audios, no audio at all. So we shall go and do it again and see if it has audio now, if it's getting recorded. I don't know why is it happening. It's like glitching a lot. Maybe, everyone's saying don't show this ice to the world because it's too good to be out there. Come on. Spidey. So we've been making ice since morning, so this is like pretty full, and now I cannot show you guys the footage of ice falling. Actually, I'll just keep it here in this video itself. So it is very beautiful. I'll tell you something. So when I first tasted this ice and when we first shot this video, it has no audio, but I was telling you all how tasty this ice is, how incredible it is. Like, I have always loved eating ice, just raw ice in my mouth, and I'm just like brain freeze and having this sensitivity in my mouth. I love it. But with this ice, there's nothing like that, no sensitivity. So I'll tell you, you can never taste ice as good as this. You can only taste in PS. So if you ever have to give it a try, definitely come to PS, and if you ask us raw ice, we are gonna give it to you. I will definitely give it to you because you have to taste this. I'm telling you, I'm not even exaggerating. This is the best ice you can ever have. Best. Now, I mean, obviously, if you buy this machine, you will not get it because I am making it, because I'm turning it on and I'm making it. It is tasting that way. That's the only reason it's tasting that way. Don't even try it at home. We are making this in PS, and this is like in-house ice. So with all of our love, the sweetness, you can taste the sweetness in ice, and that was a lot of ice promotion. So after me doing all that ice promotion, you should definitely give our drinks a try. You're just obligated to give it a try. Now I'm gonna taste the ice. Can I? Ooh. The scooper is lost. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's break this ice. That's amazing. I love it. So yesterday we tried orange cold brew, and today we are trying cranberry cold cranberry cold brew. That's cranberry juice, no sugar, just cranberry. Also it says equal quantity of cranberry in both. And now we will put in this cold brew, which has been brewing for the past which was brewing for 25 hours, and now I took out all the coffee from it, so it's just the cold brew that I can store for a week or so. We'll put that in. This is highly concentrated, and I forgot to put in the cubes. It is not even, I forgot. So my teammate here was like, don't put in the ice, and now he's suddenly like, why did you forget the ice? I'm like, you did not want ice yesterday, not today, you suddenly want ice. I'm like, you did not want ice yesterday, suddenly you want ice now, what the hell should I do? If you want ice, I'll put ice. Okay? More ice. More ice. Yep, more ice. I think that's good amount of ice. It's 1 cube less. This is perfect for me. Okay. So now that this has ice, you can see I already put some amount of coffee in it. Let's put in more coffee, my friend. Oh my god. Let's do the perfect pour in this. Oh wow. That is beautiful. That's it. Wow. Have I become a coffee expert or what? Oh my god, like, can you look at this? This is so beautiful, bro. See, I'll put it against the wall and you just see the difference. How beautiful it is. Oh my god, I love it, I love it, I love it. I cannot wait to taste. Should I? Should I dig in? Okay. It's really good. It has this deep coffee flavor, and today I did not add any honey, no sweetener, nothing. It's just pure cold brew bliss, and I love it. And this is the diluted version. It's really good. I think I would prefer like little bit of sweetener in this, because the cranberry is a little bitter and the coffee is bitter, so they both are kind of fighting each other. So maybe little sweetener, and it is way too perfect, way too good. But this in itself is so addictive. Like, first sip you reject it, second sip you kind of like it, third sip you love it. So good, so good. Let me just go enjoy this and enjoy this in peace and take okay, what am I even saying? Okay, let me just go enjoy this and forget about all the stress in the world. Oh, Sorry. Come on. Okay, so the mic is on and we are gonna check if the audio is connected and record. No, नहीं. Okay, तो अभी मैंने सारे accounts में post कर दिया था and it's like getting into all the work I forgot to completely post in all the accounts and वो consistency चले गया था, but then I realized that I'm doing all of it because of the passion and I started content creation with such passion obviously, so I have to stay consistent and मुझे every day post करना है. I have to put in the reps. So आज I edited a few posts and videos and my friend helped me with the videos and we posted and I'm so glad that we are still taking time out even though it is really hard. तो अभी वो सब work हो चुका है. It's like currently 9 PM and we are closing it for the day. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.